Hi guys, this is your coach, Jen Rowland, and I am recording this video at 11 p.m. at night on Sunday night because this is when I get things done. I have 3 kids, ages 6, 4, and almost 2. My husband's downstairs watching the Eagles game, and so I'm finally getting a chance to sit down and take a minute to welcome all of you to this group. We are all busy. Some of us work full time, some of us are stay-at-home moms taking care of our kids. But I commend every one of you for making the commitment to join this group and to practice healthy habits for the next 3 weeks. I have done now 7 rounds of this program and it is awesome. I love it because it's not a fad diet. It is about eating whole, natural foods in the right proportions and the right amounts to lose weight. And to get healthy. And so you're going to be completing these 30-minute workouts that contain a great mix of both cardio and resistance training along with some Pilates and yoga. You can do them from home in the morning, at night, while your kids are napping, whenever it works for you. But we're all going to be on the same page. And that's what's so great about these accountability groups is that we'll start on the same day and we'll encourage and support and motivate one another from day 1 through day 21. And if it takes you a few days longer to complete the 21-day fix program, that's fine. We'll actually add a few days on at the end for those that need a few extra days to finish up. But throughout this program, myself, along with Coach Heidi is a new coach, so please welcome her as well. I'm super excited to have her in this group. And so she's also going to be posting some motivational things and quotes to help keep you going throughout the program. So she'll post every day, and then I'll also post a check-in, and we'll be sharing some recipes and meal plans and just things to help support you throughout this 21-day challenge. So we officially start the day, actually 2 days after Halloween, perfect timing. So enjoy those a few pieces of candy this weekend, and then we'll kick off Monday morning and we'll end just a few days before Thanksgiving. So before we get started, I'm going to ask everyone to do 2 things this week. If you could please introduce yourself and share a little bit about yourself and your goals. And secondly, please complete the Getting Started checklist. I'm going to post a link to that. You can do it anytime this week. It tells you exactly what you need to do before you get started with the program on Monday the 2nd. Feel free to post any questions that you have below. And again, just welcome. I'm so happy to have you here. Thank you for making your health a priority, for making a commitment to building healthy habits. And I look forward to seeing what happens over the next 3 weeks and what we can accomplish together. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.